Right. So now we supposed to learn now what is that? Methods. The simple words, the methods is equal to what we are saying? Yeah. Methods is equal to, we are saying method is equal to function of particular object. The same method may not be available for all the objects, may not be available. Method is equal to function of particular object. Now we are trying to learn about list methods. We are trying to learn about it. Our friend asked one question: how many methods are available? How to know it? First, create the list. Let's say we are trying to create a list with some values we are trying to take care. For example, some 2, some 10, some 3, some 5, some 19, some 40, some 25, some values randomly we are trying to take here. Now, this is a type of function. If you go and try to observe here, it is a list. And I want to know the list of methods which are available, a underscore list. Type here dot, press the tab from the keyboard. If you press the tab from the keyboard, that gives you a list of things it is going to give it. Whatever list you are seeing, right, these all things are called as methods. This answer your question, how many methods are available for the object, how we will know. You have to put here object name, then put the dot, that will list you all the things whatever available. In this, first one we'll try to explore what is called as append. I want to do here append, let's say 200, I am trying to do it. Now it is appended and you can go and you can see a underscore list is equal to 200, it came at the last.
Just can you help me? A dot list dot a underscore list dot append question mark.
A underscore list dot append, yeah, that will give you help document, it is going to give it. Append the object at the end.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Each time, yeah, each one has its own help document is available. Let's go for similar one. Insert. Insert is going to give you what is the index position, what is the object or value. Inserts object before the index, it is going to insert it. For example, we are trying to see here a underscore list dot insert. Then where we want in the position of 2, I want, let's say 300, I want it. 2 means what? This is available in 0th position. This is available in 1 position. Now in the 2 position, we are expecting what? 300 we are expecting. So after 2 and 10, we are expecting 300, we are expecting it. That's what it is going to do here if I execute it. Now if you go and try to see a underscore list, now we are able to see 300 is available after 2 and 10. After 2 and 10. Okay. Now, similarly, you can go and you can explore here. Let's say a underscore list, then dot. We are trying to see here all the things. I am going for count here. The count of 2. How many times 2 is available in this case? Here 1 time, here 1 time. So 1 plus 1, 2 times it is available. 2 times it is available. So it is going to give you how many times the given value available it is giving here. And if you want to see the help document of this one, even you can go and you can see the help document. The count help document is going to show you returns number of occurrences of value. How many times it is occurring. Now similarly, you go for a underscore list dot sort. The sort also have here what is the key and reverse. Reverse is nothing but descending order you want or ascending order you want it. Okay, if you are passing here, let us say a underscore list, then dot, we are passing sort. Now I want to sort the data in the reverse order I want it, let us say. So I am saying as reverse is equal to, let us say, by default is false. Now I am saying as true, I am saying it. Now you can observe, we got here a underscore list is equal to like this. It is available in the descending order or not? Yes. If I go and try to say same thing, again I am writing here a underscore list dot sort. then we are not specifying anything. If we are not specifying anything, default what is going on? False. As it is going on the false, if you see the output now, you can notice it is available in the ascending order. That's how sort is going to help you out. If you want, you can go and try to observe the reverse. Reverse means simply it will do the reverse. Simply it will do the reverse. Better, let me create here one more list. I am trying to create here one more list. A list 1 is equal to, let's say,
Just
20, 30,
small
12.
question here.
Sorry.
Yep. Before executing, if I want to bring into the original state, I've started it out, but I wanted to bring into original state where we have the data and list.
I don't think so. We have like that.
Okay. So then it will replace, the sort will
Yeah.
replace the order.
Yeah. Okay. Now we are going for here A list 1. The A list 1, whatever we have it, that we are trying to do here reverse. So if you do the reverse is a function. As it is a function, we need regular brackets. So now we can go and you can observe here A underscore list 1. Now list 1 is going to do the reverse, simply reverse. It is available like this. It is doing what? Reverse. It is not doing any sorting, nothing. Last to first, it is writing it. Am I clear? Okay. So these are the methods.
The moment you use the methods, it is irreversible. I mean, it will not bring you into original state.
Right.
For example,
That's
sort.
right. That's what the meaning of here in place. You noticed or not in the help document, we have here in place. Also, we have it right meaning. You see here, what is this?
Okay.
So it is going to do that. In place is going to do the modifications. That object will be modified.
Okay.
Yeah.
A list is nothing but object.
Yeah. Anything is called as object. Question is from the classroom. A list is called as object. That's what she's asking. Anything in Python is called as object. Even whatever you learned till now, uh, number, integer number, and you learned float number, you learned string, right? Those all things also called as objects only.
Like variable is everything is object.
Yeah, everything is object. Yeah. Now we understand now list methods. Let us try to see the second one that is called as string methods. Are you expecting same methods, whatever we saw above, same methods are available for the string? No. For example, we are trying to provide here a underscore string is equal to, we are trying to pass here some name. Now a underscore str dot, if you put it, then we are seeing here something which is different from the previous list, right? In the previous list, we have extend. Here I don't have it. Append. Here we are not having that one. So the methods whatever available in previous, the methods whatever available now are different or same? Are different. Now, yeah, that's what we are saying. Each object has its own methods. Now we are trying to take here, for example, simple one we are taking, upper we are taking. The meaning of the upper is I want to convert each and every letter to the uppercase. Now you can see it is available uppercase. Now let us say I am trying to do here one more thing that is called as lower. Each and everything I want to convert into the lower case. And I want to do, let us say, capitalize. So we have here capitalize is available. So go and try to do the capitalize. It is doing the first letter is capital, rest of the things are small. Like that, whatever you want, you can go and you can apply the string methods. String methods.
So methods are always in place. Is it that way?
Correct. Correct. Uh, Here in place is not written. Okay, it is not in place. This is what is the question, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's not all. It's not all. The whatever it is written in place it happens. If it is not in place, then it will be not happens.
Okay.
So in this case, it is not in place. Capitalize is not in place. If you want in place, then you override this one. Overriding means, let us say you have to say a underscore str is equal like this. You have to say it. Okay, are you getting my point?
Yep.
Okay. The extra thing is you have to apply the override functionality also. You have to apply if it is not working as a in place. Okay, fine. Now let us go and try to do the next one. The next one we have here, third one, whatever we know is, let's say tuple, we learned about it, right? Tuple also has its own methods. For example, we are trying to define here a underscore tuple 10, 20, 30, 40, something we defined here. Now a underscore tuple dot, if you put it, we are seeing here two things only we are seeing here. One is count, second is index. Second is index. You can go and you can observe the count help document. It is going to give you the written occurrence of the value. Now we are writing here, let's say a underscore tuple dot count. How many times this 10 is available? We are asking it. It is available only once. It is giving the 1. Are you getting my point? Okay. So now we are clear about methods which are available, all the objects. How many objects are available? All the objects, we have the methods. Let us go and try to see here. List methods I given, and then we have here string methods we given. Even dictionary methods also I covered in the notes. You can walk through it. Okay, next tuple methods we given here. These are the 4 objects. As of now, you are aware of it. We are covering it. Please walk through it. You'll be able to understand it. Thank you.
Sir, class is